Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking into a website that sells pure, adorable fluff. But our sources are suggesting there might be something a bit sharp hiding underneath it all. We are diving into u.jellycat.com, a site that sells these super popular plushies, but with huge discounts.
And at first glance, it looks perfect, right?
Yeah.
You see the cute listings, the website design is really professional, the prices are very, very tempting. And, the big one, it has that little HTTPS padlock in the URL. For most people, that's kind of the end of the story.
Right. So our mission here is to get past that cute surface and see what the data says. We're talking brand authorization, user trust, security scores. Are you getting a real Jellycat, or are you just buying yourself a problem?
Well, let's start with the brand itself. Jellycat's position on this is crystal clear. They have, and I'm quoting here, zero tolerance for counterfeits. They only guarantee quality and authenticity if you buy from one of their authorized stockists.
Ah, so that's the catch. Which means those huge sale prices you see, or the discounted bundles on, say, a limited edition item, that should be a massive red flag.
A huge one. If the seller isn't authorized, that brand protection policy just poof goes right out the window.
Okay.
And this is where the soft, fluffy look of the site just collides head-on with the hard data from security scanners. We ran the domain through a few different trust checkers, and frankly, the results are alarming.
Okay, so what did they actually find?
One of the big checkers gave the site a very low trust score. It flagged it with a strong probability of it being a scam.
And there's another one too, right? That one was even worse.
Oh, yeah. Our sources show another scanner classified uu.jellycat.com as a suspicious shop blacklisted. It gave it a trust score of 1 out of 100.
Wow. 1 out of 100. I mean, that's a total failure.
It is. And that score isn't just theoretical. It's based on actual reports from users. We're talking orders just never showing up, people receiving fake items or the completely wrong thing, and really serious concerns about what's happening with their payment data.
But wait a second, let's go back to the padlock. Everyone looks for that, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that supposed to mean the site is safe?
This is the critical thing to understand. That SSL padlock, all it really means is that the connection between your computer and their server is encrypted. It just scrambles your credit card number while it's in transit.
So it does not guarantee the product is real.
Not at all.
Or that it will even show up at your door.
Exactly. Real trust comes from brand authorization and, a history of actually shipping what you paid for. It comes from action, not just a little symbol in your browser. And on those points, this site, well, it fails hard.
So the verdict here seems pretty clear. Despite all the cute photos, the site behaves like a classic scam store. It has no verified status and a trail of user reports about fake products or just nothing at all.
Yeah, ordering from this domain is essentially a gamble with your money and your personal info.
So for you, the listener who loves Jellycat plushies, what's the final word?
Stick to the official channels. I mean, go to the official Jellycat website or find a stockist you know is verified. Don't let those tempting low prices fool you into ignoring what are some really serious risks.
A vital warning. And that leaves us with a final thought to take away. How many other cute, tempting online stores have you visited that rely on just that little HTTPS padlock to make you feel safe? What verifiable actions beyond that icon are you looking for to know a transaction is genuine? Keep questioning the surface. We'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.